Good morning guys, ngayon gagawa tayo ng Pi network account. So open natin yung Apple Pay, type natin yung Pi network. Ano siya guys, install natin. Hintay lang tayo guys, nag-i-install pa siya. Then now guys, open natin. Yan na siya, welcome to Pi. Ngayon gagawa tayo ng account. Continue with Facebook or continue with phone number. So nasa sa inyo guys kung anong gusto nyo, by phone number or network or Facebook. Yan na siya guys. So by number ako guys, United Arab Emirates. So lagyan natin yung number natin guys. Then guys, pagkatapos ng number, ilalagay nyo yung email address nyo. Kailangan yung verified email at saka kailangan talagang pangalan nyo para pagdating sa mag-withdraw kayo para walang problema. After ng email guys, ngayon naman password. Kailangan yung password nyo ay strong password. At saka huwag nyo kalimutan guys. After ng password guys, ito na, maglalagay na kayo ng name, last name, at saka kailangan nyo ng username. Okay? Ayan na guys. Ayan na siya. Ayan na yung account natin. So, kailangan lang natin mag-get started. Okay? Tapos guys, yung tap to mine, kailangan nyo itap yung 0 na may per hour dyan. Kasi dyan kayo kumukita. Open nyo lang yan siya guys. And guys, keep mining na siya. Hayaan nyo lang siya. Oh, you are now mining Pi at the rate of 00 per hour. Come back in 24 hours to keep mining. Click the button below to start a tour to Pi network. Okay? This is now your balance. It is the total amount of the current you have mined to so far. Then next, a global chat for all Piners to communicate, discuss, and build the Pi community together. It's also where Pi's core team makes announcement. Yan lang siya guys. Then, Pi channel on this home screen. The home screen, we have different media content posted by Pi core team. Example videos, picture, and question. Next. Okay guys, ayan na siya guys, nag-green na siya. So start na siya ng mining, nagmamine na siya. Hayaan nyo lang siya guys, balik lang kayo after 24 hours para i-open nyo siya ulit. Ganun lang siya kasimple guys. Yan na, ito na. Ito na yung dashboard. Dismiss. Ayan na siya guys, meron kang 000.08. Hayaan nyo lang siya, siya na ang mining. Hintayin nyo lang siya guys. Yan na siya guys ha. Ito na yung account natin guys. Home, Pi browser, mine, Pi referral. Kung referral guys, gusto nyo may referral, meron tayo dito. Okay guys, thank you for watching guys. Thank you. Follow for more.